Hey everyone, it's Star Aespa. Today I'm going to play As Dusk Falls. I hope you enjoy the story and the decision I made. Like and subscribe, and don't forget, stream Next Level by Aespa.
My name is Zoe Walker. Not so long ago, I wanted to be a journalist. Now, I just want to hold my breath and sink. Not because I want to black out, but for the calm that comes beforehand. When thoughts die and memories drown. 90 seconds. That's about how long it takes for me. And suddenly, it's like none of it ever happened.
Daddy, are we gonna play?
Sorry, Pumpkin. You bet we're gonna play. Now, I know you're an expert, but are you sure you've looked at everything?
Trust me, I got this.
Okay. Then what color is... that big truck way up there?
Depends what part of the truck.
Okay, smarty. How about the exhaust pipe?
That's where all the smoke comes out. And it's gray.
Hey, you are rocking this today, Zoe. Looks like you're ready for the next level.
What's the next level?
You ask me one final question. If I don't get it on the first try, you win the whole game.
Let's play it.
Okay. Let me just have one last look around.
Ready?
Okay, shoot.
How many stars are on my backpack?
This is a toughie. Is it 6?
How'd you know?
I used my superpowers. But I'll tell you, you're getting hard to beat.
Oh, did I doze off?
Come on, back in the car. We still got 45 states' license plates to spot. Hey.
Hey. You doing okay?
Yeah, sure. It's, you know, I'm fine, Michelle. We're good.
Why are you guys acting weird again?
It's nothing, hun. Just a long trip.
I tell you, the only thing worse than feeding a dog fast food is smelling it again on the way out.
Grandpa!
Wait, I'm your grandpa? All this time, I thought you were my grandpa.
How far'd you walk? I was worried you got lost.
Oh, just to the tree. You know dogs. They think they're the ones holding the leash.
All right, crew, buckle up. I want to make it to Albuquerque before we stop for the night.
You're listening to Drive Time on KMOW, Flagstaff's first and finest. It's another beautiful Arizona afternoon, and your weekend starts here.
Or maybe I'm just too frightened by the sound of it. Pieces of notes fall down.
What's next? License plate game? Another round of row, row, row your boat?
She fell asleep halfway through your solo. You definitely get first prize for keeping her entertained.
I am not entertaining. I am shepherding. You are my flock, and I plan to herd you to St. Louis in high spirits.
Nice try.
Wasn't taking the scenic route your idea? I wanted to do this trip at 30,000 feet.
Oh, I'm not complaining about the drive. I'm just trying to picture Vince living in the Midwest.
Well, St. Louis wasn't my first choice, or my second, or my fifth. But it's just a place on a map, right? I'm sure I'll live.
Well, I did survive my first 18 years there, and it's a better place now than it was then.
Wait, you're from St. Louis? I had no idea.
Ha ha ha, you're very funny.
Look, I'm just trying to stay positive. You've got your tenure, I've got my new job.
Couldn't make me work for a pet food company if it was the only job left in the country.
Jim, I don't think that's helping.
10,000 bucks. You should have gone for the jugular, sued those bastards at the airline the way they pinned that thing on you. Not signed some settlement paper.
I haven't signed it yet.
But you still want to, right? I know it's your call, but I think it's time to put this whole thing behind us.
I know, it's just... it's hard. And once I sign, that's it. I'll never work for an airline again.
I know.
Vince was a good kid, but he always did let people walk all over him. When you were small, you asked me to buy you these cheap action figures so you'd have something to give the kids at school when they picked
And
you.
what was I like in high school, huh?
Ouch.
Sorry. I shouldn't have said that.
If you two didn't want me to come, you could have said so.
Zoe wanted you to come.
Well, Zoe appreciates me, even if no one else does. Oh, look at her little face. She wouldn't dream of making an old man feel he wasn't.
Zoe!
Are you okay, Pumpkin?
What happened?
She's just shaken, I think.
Great. Hey, thanks for coming back. If you give me
Learn how to drive, asshole!
Are you kidding me?
Country kids. Or the desert version. Lucky we're still in one piece.
Man, the look on his face.
I hope he didn't see our license plate.
Nah. Stupid fucker was too busy yelling into the wind.
That's the one. 28 Northwood.
Ugly as hell. These houses all look the same to me.
Jay, you ready?
Jay!
What?
Head out of the clouds, little bro.
Knew we shouldn't have brung him.
Come on. He'll pull his weight.
Look, this is just like we talked about. There's enough cash in that safe to put the last few weeks behind us. We stay alive, we keep the house, everything goes back to normal.
What happens if we don't get the money? If we can't repay Pa's debt?
You know what happens. The name Hullett won't be in the phone book much longer.
You're always out skulking in the woods, climbing trees and all that. We all know you're good at it. And you want to help the family, right?
You know I do.
Then here's your chance. Hop that fence and find a way in.
Whoa! Does Ma know you took that?
Nope. But someone's got to watch your backs. We got 1 hour before they're home. If you hear 3 honks, you run like hell.
Hey, let's party.
Dale! The code.
Jay can read.
Don't screw this up, kid. We're counting on you.
All right. You go do your Tarzan bullshit over the back gate. I'll try the garage. Never know when you might get lucky.
Hey. Fetch! Sorry to lock you up like this.
Police, open up. Or maybe it's the big bad wolf.
Not funny.
What happened?
He's got a Doberman. I had to lock it in the shed.
What's that? Idiot.
Whose house is this?
Dante Romero, king of the pigs.
Wait, the sheriff?
Yep. You know Ma's beef with him goes way back. Even before he sent me to juvie.
I know, but...
But what? Way I see it, he owes us. So, we ought to fuck this place up a little, while we're at it.
Dale, he's the top cop in the whole county.
You want to know how much respect I got for that? There isn't a day I don't think about getting back at that motherfucker.
What'd you do that for? They might test it or something.
Oh, come on. This is 2 Rock, not NYPD Blue. Now get looking for that safe.
He left his wallet.
Told you he's an idiot.
Good place to hide a safe. Or not.
You find anything?
Just a little cash. Maybe the safe's upstairs?
Yeah. Maybe.
What are you doing?
It's for my girlfriend.
You don't have a girlfriend.
Shut up. I'm working on it. Hey, when life gives you lemons. Come here. Help me get a little payback.
We shouldn't waste time. And anyway, that's gross.
You're a fucking wimp. You know that?
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not. Listen to yourself. All right. Enough screwing around. You look upstairs, and I'll check the rest of the rooms down here.
Okay. His wife. Shit.
"12 years repairing jumbo jets. You think I'd be able to fix a car?" You okay?
Yeah, sure. Seen one motel, you've seen them all.
You guys go on ahead. I'm gonna get a bottle of water.
Shema, Ryan's mom said I could stay over tonight. Don't wait up.
Hello?
Investing in AOL, you've got Pets.com talking IPO. I think we're headed for a huge first year of the new millennium.
Okay then. What about the online media space? We've got a number of interesting companies out there now. Amazon selling books directly to consumers.
Sorry about that.
Netflix
Thanks for waiting.
by mail.
Hi. We got in an accident a few miles east of here. I don't suppose you have a couple of empty rooms and the number for a tow truck?
Ooh, no dice. Our mechanic's away in Tucson for the weekend.
All right then, just the 2 rooms.
That'll be 70. Cash only.
I've got 52.
That's enough for 1 room.
Hey, Joyce.
I'm doing something!
Please, if you could trust me to pay the rest tomorrow, it would mean a lot. My daughter, she really needs her sleep, and my dad is one hell of a snorer.
Oh, the sweetheart. If this is all just to cheat me out of a few dollars...
Hi, I'm Michelle. Thanks so much for accommodating us.
Well, we're not exactly full. Glad to help.
It was a fuse again. Problem with not having breakers is... Oh, hey. Welcome to Two Rock.
Paul, do me a favor. Go ask Norma to tow this guy's car back here to the lot.
Ah, dang. You burst a tire or something? I'm pretty good at fixing stuff.
Engine problem, actually, but you're welcome to try. It's a red SUV, east. You can't miss it.
I'm on it. Hey, do I know you?
Nah. People just mistake me for Clint Eastwood.
Thank God we're out of that heat.
Are we on vacation now? Do we get to go in the pool?
Oh, you know what? Our swimsuits are in the moving truck. And stop jumping on the bed, okay?
Then, can I watch the Nature Channel? Please?
Hey, I said stop jumping.
I'll stop if you let me watch my show. It's educational.
All right, but only a half hour.
Thank you, Daddy.
And you have to tell me some cool facts afterwards. Man, we raised one hell of a negotiator.
It's been a tough day. She can have this one.
You okay?
I don't know. It feels pretty sore. Would you mind rubbing it for a minute?
Nice room. Looks just like mine. Well, I'm gonna take Zeus for a walk. Vince, would you mind joining me?
Didn't we just walk a mile?
Well, he has to pee, and I want to talk to you about something.
You go ahead. I'm gonna stay.
Can I come?
You're the one I was really hoping for.
Thank you for staying. I know I'm irritable when it comes to your dad.
We meet in the car earlier? Don't worry about it.
It's just... You know what he wants, right? He's gonna ask you if he can move in with us.
Oh, God, you think?
I'd bet money on it.
Well, maybe we should consider it. His cancer's only going one way.
I feel for him. I don't know if I trust him. He disappeared from your life for almost 30 years. I don't want him doing that to Zoe.
I know. But back then, he bounced between rehab centers like a pinball. He's different now. Come on, give me your shoulders.
Oh, yeah. That's good. But go lower. Oh, right there. That's the spot. Oh, that's great, Vince. Thank you. You know, when I picked Zoe up yesterday, her teacher kept telling me what a smart kid she is. That she's ahead on reading and numbers.
Was there ever any doubt?
She also said that, with Zoe changing schools, it might be worth thinking about her skipping first grade and going straight into second.
Wait, what?
That's what I said. But then I thought about it, and maybe this could be really good for her. She'd be challenged, learn new things.
Michelle, no. She'll be the runt of the class. They'll take her lunches and stuff them up a tree.
Or she'll have a bunch of great friends who just happen to be a few months older than her.
Oh, I don't know. She's already moving to a new state. Things at home have been... You know, she heard us fighting the other night. Does she really need more stress?
Of course not. But maybe we just take a leap on this one?
Okay. If you think it's a good idea.
Really?
I want what's best for her. She'll just have to make taller friends.
Well, great. I'll get the ball rolling on Monday. And hey, look. About the other night.
Daddy, the car's back. Grandpa told me to come get you.
He did? Well, great. I'm gonna grab some snacks from the vending machine. You want anything?
No. We're good.
So Bill turns to Hillary and says, "But I thought the Gaza Strip was a topless bar."
So this is where the party is.
Oh, hey there. Got your car towed back for you. You were right. It's more than I can fix with duct tape and a socket wrench.
What do I owe you?
Nothing. Your guests?
Get it round back, quick.
What in the world?
On the ground, now! I said get on the ground! Good boy.
Now hang on. You don't need to call for help. Nobody's gonna hurt you, okay? Right. Sorry. Look, we just came for the money. Then we're gone. Well, I don't know. Don't you know? Doesn't he tell you? Oh, sorry. I shouldn't pry. Thank you.
Everything okay up there?
It's fine. I'm gonna try his office.
That a boy.
It has to be in here. Huh. Wonder what happened here. Gross. Bird watching. That's cool. Dale! I found it! What the? Where's the code? Yes! Whoa. Dale, check it out.
Holy shit. How much does this prick make? Here, let's load it up. Man, if I had as much money as this greedy asshole, I'd give it all to charity.
No, you wouldn't.
Hell no, I wouldn't. I'd run and buy a '64 Pontiac GTO. Prettiest piece of metal you ever saw on four wheels. Ugh. What about you? What would you do if you could keep all this cash?
I'd get a bus ticket and get out of this dump.
What, you gonna leave us?
Maybe. I'm 18 now.
Good luck with that. Last time a Hulk got out of Two Rock was never. Play it cool when we're outside. Hey, we were plumbers. Call to check a clog.
Shit.
Go. Go.
Not coming up, just came from my wallet. Got your PT rescheduled for Monday, by the way. was there.
Came back early.
Yeah, no shit.
Did you get the money?
Oh, we got it all right.
Nice work, guys.
How about we stop for burgers on the way home, huh? Have a little celebration.
We're gonna be celebrating every day for a week.
Son of a bitch. Dispatch, this is C1. I need all available cars in the area west 2 Rock. Searching for a blue pickup truck.
Copy on your request. Is everything okay?
No, it's not fucking okay. I need units now. Someone robbed my house.
They didn't see us turn in. How'd they even find us? We got away clean.
He must have seen the truck. Listen up! We're not here to hurt you. We don't even want your wallets. We just need a place to lay low until we can be safely on our way. Don't do anything stupid and you'll be fine. Understood?
I understand. Whatever you say.
Good. That's what I want to hear. You! Keep that dog quiet.
Shh. It's all right, Tux.
Let's just jack a car. Drive back the other way before they realize they're not chasing anyone.
Too risky. If they got roadblocks.
Vince, we need to do something.
What can we do? They have guns.
So we take their guns away.
And get our faces blown off. Jesus, Jim, this isn't Die Hard.
We can't stay here.
We can until dark. Then, we set out cross-country. It's our best shot.
I'm telling you, we gotta
Drop
move.
the weapon.
Easy now. Let's
I said drop it.
Look, I don't know her very well, but I think she means business.
No one asked you.
He's right, though. I go down to the range twice a week.
Joyce, if that thing goes off...
Then I'll scrape them off the walls.
But it don't have to be like that. If we help these boys out of whatever corner they got themselves stuck in...
I'm not helping them with shit. Show me your faces. I said take off the masks.
Oh, no.
You're the Holt boys.
You're the ones who hit our car.
Paul, take the shotgun.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Christ. Really, Paul? You. Grab the gun. Now point it at him.
You do that, I promise you'll regret it. You've never held a gun a day in your life.
I learned quick, though.
You touch my things again, you won't be happy. Hey, you get the truck hid away?
It's in a shed out back. Tyler, these people didn't do anything to us.
They will if we let them. You and Dale, line them all up. I need to make a call. It's me. We got a problem. Desert Dream Motel.
Think I don't know that? All right, shitheads. Over by the tables.
You boys, you haven't hurt anyone, have you?
Yeah, we killed the president. Ain't that right, bro?
You're the middle brother. The one who got himself sent off to juvenile hall.
Shut the fuck up.
Why? Everybody knows.
Joyce, don't.
From what I hear, you're just like your daddy. Another fucked up Holt thinks the world's his to break.
What, like this? Or how about this?
Come on, man. Is that necessary?
Are you necessary? Shut it up. Now.
He's a dog. He doesn't have an off switch.
It's just nervous, Dale. I don't care what it feels. I want it to shut up.
Hey, Zeus. Remember me?
I said, shut the fuck up. Dale, what are you doing? It's called controlling the room.
By pointing guns at puppies? Wasn't breaking the Kasdan boy's jaw enough for you?
Don't you start with me.
Or what? You'll break my face too? Or are you just gonna shoot me?
Zeus, quiet.
Jim, give him here. That's it. Good boy. Nice and calm.
Shit.
Easy, Zeus. Easy.
There. Are you happy? Now put the gun down. You should be ashamed of yourself.
You know what? I'm tired of you. Tape her mouth shut.
Do your own dirty work.
Hey, wake up. Why is there so much luggage in your SUV?
Huh?
Who else are you traveling with, huh? You tell me the truth now.
My dad and I ran off and joined the circus. You can come too if you want.
Real funny, fat ass.
Look, it's just him and the other guy.
I checked them in myself. There's no one else.
You know something? I don't like you. You got this look like you're scared shitless. Tell me I'm wrong.
You don't know the first thing about who I am.
Don't I?
Nope. But this tough guy act of yours, that I can see through.
Let's just hope your walk's as cool as your talk.
It's a cop. What do we do?
That's just Big Sam. He buys a soda, talks for a while, then he's gone.
Jay, in the back. Go with him. Get rid of the cop. You hear me?
Sure thing, boss.
You two, keep your mouths shut and this'll all be over faster. You're coming with me. Hey there.
Evening.
Hey, Sam.
Paul, how's things?
Slow as usual.
Yeah, like my daddy always said. If you don't slow down, you don't see the wall before you hit it. Where's Joyce and her kid? Upstairs?
Oh,
Ash is at a friend's house for the night, and Joyce isn't feeling well. She's been in bed for days.
Sorry to hear that. Say, you haven't seen three fellas in a blue pickup, have you? Maybe out on the road somewhere?
Nope. Been here all day.
How you liking the desert dream?
Oh, can't complain.
Yeah, Joyce runs herself a tight ship. So, who else you traveling with?
Oh, just me and my dad over there.
Evening, officer.
Oh. So, why the booster seat?
Huh?
I saw your car when I pulled in. California plates?
Oh, I have a kid. Back home. But you know how it is, the seat lives in the car.
True. We got two living in the back of the Bronco. Can I ask what brings you to Two Rock?
We're on the run. America's Most Wanted.
Huh?
I'm kidding. We blew a tire. We're just here for the night.
Big Sam, where you at?
There's a dream, but I'm on my way back. Anyway, we're looking for 3 idiots who broke into the sheriff's house, if you can believe anyone would be that stupid. They're armed and dangerous, so if you hear anything, you call 911.
Any idea who it was?
Nah, they covered their faces, so they wouldn't be recognized.
Oh, is that why?
Which choice better for me?
Daddy, I'm gonna skip first grade!
What took you so long?
Hang on, who are you?
I'm his wife. Is something the matter?
You're his, right. You said it was just you and your dad.
Vince, what's happening?
Nothing. Just chatting with one of Two Rock's finest.
Look, are you sure everything's okay here?
I'm wondering the same thing.
If I'd seen anything, I'd tell you, I swear.
Huh. All right, y'all take care now.
Vince!
Daddy, what's happening?
Oh, God.
Dale, Jay, we're leaving early. And we're taking her.
What?
Wait, no.
You lie about things, you lose them.
Hang on now.
If we get away without being followed, I'll drop her at a payphone. But if you call the cops...
Let go of me!
Mommy?
Well now, look who ain't afraid to hold a gun anymore.
Tell him to let her go.
If I did that, it wouldn't be a standoff.
Vince, maybe you should put the gun down.
Or maybe you keep your toys for once.
Is this really what you want? In front of your kid? I knew you'd be sensible. But I can't let you get away with that.
That's the end of the first chapter. Stay tuned for part 2 and don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Bye.